Avalon Technologies is one of the leading and vertically integrated electronic manufacturing services companies. It provides a full stack product and solution suite to original equipment manufacturers from the printed circuit board to complete electronic systems. It caters to power, clean energy, railways and aerospace. Its strong product capabilities, high quality and loyal customer base have enabled them to maintain strong financial performance. The proceeds from the fresh issue will be used for funding working capital requirements and repayment of borrowings. Its growth drivers are as follows. As for the Frost & Sullivan, the EMS industry in India is expected to grow at a CAGR of 41.1% over financial year 22 to financial year 26. The company plans to focus on high margin products in clean energy, telecom, satellite and digital infrastructure space. It intends to increase cross-selling of the products to the customers and expand into adjacent product verticals with the existing customer. It will continue to invest in technology infrastructure to promote innovation, operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. The company has seen a 14.4% CAGR rise in revenues over financial year 2020 to financial year 2022 and EBITDA has registered a CAGR of 23% over the same period. Its ROCE increased from 26.8% in financial year 2020 to 27.4% in financial year 2022. However, higher debt ratio of 3.64 against an industry average of 0.65 is a major concern. At the upper end of the price band, the company seems richly valued at 55 times financial year 23 annualized earning.
This should not be treated as a recommendation. Please conduct your own analysis or consult a financial advisor before investing. Thank you.